I'm based in Aussie, in Australia. The trademark I'm after has been taken. The company trades in golf-specific clothing products. However, I would also trade in clothing products, not golf. The company's name is not affiliated with the trademark name. The trademark name isn't associated with any of the products at all. I only came across the company through an IP checker. I would use the trademark name as part of my brand. Is it common for a company to register a trademark like Apple? What's my course of action?
Interesting. So let's just assume that, he's asking about the United States, USPTO trademark process here in the United States, and that there's a company out there who's already registered for apparel, class 25 at the USPTO. And so they're a golf company, it looks like, and he wants to do general apparel. Unfortunately, if there's a registration at the USPTO just for golf specific apparel, it's going to block the whole class of product. In this specific case, this individual is going to want to do some more research to figure out who this company is that owns the trademark. Are they actually using it? Did they ever use it? If they haven't been using it, how long haven't they been using it? And then you might, talk to an attorney about what's next. Can we respond or can we put an application in with the plan to, cancel this trademark if we need to? But I think figure out a plan before you do anything.
Yeah, that's good. So you're not saying it's not totally dead in the water. When this person says, hey, it's been taken, that's not final.
A lot of times I'll talk to clients in this situation who might have been using a trademark for 10 years and now they're, getting ready to sell in the next couple of years and they want a trademark registration. They think that's important, or someone's told them that's important, or the buyer wants it. That's part of the deal. So if that's the case, then we got to start taking a look at how we get this trademark through the process. So at that point, that's going to become the plan, how you're going to approach this third party.
The ChatGPT, you nailed it. It's hitting it, mentioning the same sort of thing here. It says key issues to consider: golf-specific clothing. You want to use it for general clothing, not golf. Registered trademark doesn't seem to be used publicly or prominently in their products, and you're not sure if they're actively using it. You could conduct a full use and status analysis, file for a non-use removal application. This is in Australia, so it may not be related to...
Oh, yeah. We would call that like a cancellation, non-use cancellation.
Okay. Yep. And then just like you said, consider negotiating.
Yep.
Evaluate the risk of infringement. Hey, that's always an option, perhaps, right?
Yeah.
You're banned. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot of times in this situation, if we have a senior user client and they have a trademark registration, we just approach them and just, be pretty nice about it.
Yep.
Like, hey, your client's got the registration. My client should own the registration. So how can we play together nicely?